Yes. So as my slide suggests that when I did a quick poll in the morning, I got to know that although I've been sharing a lot of post templates with you all, but then if you're designing them and if you're not able to schedule them, it's going to take a lot of time because every day you'll have to log in and you have to schedule, you have to post the post. But today I'll show you how these posts can be scheduled in advance so that once all these posts are ready, you can schedule them on a particular day in advance for the next month. And then you can just sit back and relax. So on the set date, the post would automatically be published. Okay. So now let me share my computer. Okay. So are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see the chat GPT window?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yes. So there are basically two things before we start scheduling the posts. Number one is you will have to have those posts ready with you. Okay. And in my case, what I've done is I've kept these posts ready. Okay. I've created a folder. And as a sample, just to show you today, I'm going to post these I'm going to schedule these 5 posts on my page. Okay. On my preschool coach Facebook page. Okay. Before that, what I'm going to do is the second thing that once the posts are ready, you also need to have the captions and the hashtag ready. Okay. For which I'm going to show you again a trick on our very own chat GPT, how you can generate these captions as well as these hashtags. Okay. So very first thing, I've created this prompt. Okay. I'll be sharing this prompt with you. Okay. But to show you how these captions are done, I'm going to first do a prompt on ChatGPT for my brand. Okay. So the posts which I showed you, these are the 5 posts which I have designed for my, which will be scheduled on my Facebook page, that is Preschool Coach Facebook page. So what I've done is in this prompt, first let me read this prompt for you. Okay. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT, please write Facebook post captions of 100 words with 10 relevant hashtags for my brand Preschool Coach. Okay. And then I'll just mute because there's some disturbance. Yeah. So I'm going to give ChatGPT a prompt. Please write Facebook post captions of 100 words with 10 relevant hashtags for my brand Preschool Coach. Now, because ChatGPT might not know what brand Preschool Coach does, so I'm just adding one more line. I help preschool owners by doing social media marketing for their preschool. And then I'm writing, below are the post topics for which I want you to write the captions. Okay. And these are the 5 topics or the headlines that my post has. Okay. I'm just going to copy those here as the 5 bullet points. Okay. So first, let me show you how ChatGPT will help me generate these prompts. Okay. So I'm going to generate these captions. I'm going to copy this prompt and in my ChatGPT window, I'm just going to paste it and click enter. Okay. So ChatGPT will start generating the captions as well as the hashtags. Okay. So the first caption that it has generated is make your preschool more visible. Discover the secrets to boosting your preschool's online presence with Preschool Coach. From eye-catching graphics to strategic marketing, we've got you covered. Okay, so this is the caption that ChatGPT has generated with a few hashtags. Now, although we had asked for 10 hashtags, okay, because I have logged into the free version of ChatGPT right now, it sometimes it won't give all 10 hashtags, okay, but you can always ask for the correction. Okay, right now I'm going to ignore that. So similarly, I have a prompt for your preschool. So let's assume you are planning to schedule 8 posts on your Facebook page or Instagram. Okay. And these are the 8 topics on which the posts are designed. Okay. So the prompt here says, please write Facebook post captions of 100 words with 10 relevant hashtags for my preschool, and you have to write your preschool brand here. Okay, so let me just write creative 31 minds. Okay, below are the post topics for which I want you to write the captions, and there are these 8 topics. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and go to ChatGPT. Now let me show you, I'll show it to you in the paid version of ChatGPT because I use this paid version. I'll show you how this works. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here and click enter. Okay, so now it has started writing the captions along with, see now here, if you see, it is giving me 10 hashtags. Okay, so this is the way how you first ask ChatGPT to write the captions along with the hashtags for your 8 or whatever number of posts you plan to schedule. Okay, so once these it's still writing. Okay, so once these captions are ready, then you have to go to a Google Sheet. Okay, now what I'm going to do is in this Google Sheet, okay, I'm just going to name it as October month post captions. Okay, and right now, in order to show you, I'm going to show you how I post my 5 posts, how I schedule these 5 posts on my preschool coach page. Okay, so that's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these captions, the captions which I wrote for. Yeah. So these were the 5 captions which ChatGPT gave me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these. Okay, the first one, and go to my page. In the first column, I will just mention as post 1. Okay. Let me just put the titles first. So post number, date, okay, time, and then caption and hashtags. Okay, so let me just put the post number. So post 1, post 2, post 3, post 4, and post 5. Okay, now the dates that I plan to post these, let's assume I want to publish the first post on 2nd of October. Okay, then 5th October, then say 8th of October, then let's say 12th of October, and then 15th of October. Okay, time, let's say I want to post these on at 9 a.m. every day. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this here. Okay, now I'll just copy the captions to this sheet. Why I'm doing this is because so every time when I start the scheduling, I don't have to go to ChatGPT, then go to the folder. So everything should be in one sheet. So that's the reason I'm just copying all these to one sheet. Okay, so the third one. So this is like one-time mehnat that you'll have to do. But once you've scheduled all the posts, then you can invest your time in something else and let Facebook scheduler do the magic. Okay. So this way I've just posted, copied all these 5 captions. Okay. So once this sheet is ready, now let's move on and let me show you how you can schedule these posts. Okay. So the very first thing that you do is, of course, you log into your Facebook, account. Okay. And then go to your page. Okay. So you can find your page on this left hand side, or then you can go to pages but I have already created a shortcut. So I'm going to open my Facebook page, which is Preschool Coach. Okay. So this is not yet very much active. In fact, I have published it today because I was not very active on this, but let's see now. So once you open the page, go to create post. Okay. Now, once you click create post, at the bottom, it will show you schedule your post from Meta Business Suite. Okay. So you have to click on it. Once you click, a new window will pop up or a new tab will open wherein you will be taken to a scheduler. Okay. With something looks like this. Okay. So there is a week. You can schedule for a week or you can even schedule for a whole month. Okay. So let me click on month. Okay. So right now it is not showing any post which is scheduled. Okay. Even if I go to the next month, okay, it is showing as blank. Okay. So now let me show you how to schedule your very first post. Okay. Now, if I go to my sheet, the first post, I want to schedule it on 2nd of October. Okay. So I'll go back to the scheduler. First, when you are posting for the first time, this whole thing will be blank. Okay. Once you schedule your first post, then it will show the whole calendar. Okay. So first of all, click on schedule and then click on schedule post. Okay. So once you click on schedule post, this is something which will open. Okay. It will ask you to select the date and the time. Okay. So here I'm going to select 2nd October and time. I'm going to keep it as 9 a.m. And then I'm going to click on save. Okay. Once this is done, now one thing you will have to do is you will have to also, let me show it to you again. When you click on this down arrow, okay, you will have to check this Instagram, okay, so that the post that we are scheduling is going to be published on Facebook page as well as Instagram. Okay. Right now, my Instagram account is not connected because it is not published yet. I'm going to leave it like this. But in your case, this, if your Facebook page and Instagram account are connected, this will show as you will be able to tick this, or you will have to connect the Instagram. Okay. Now, once you have selected both the options, here is where you will have to add the post. Okay. So I'm going to click on add photo and go to upload from desktop. Okay. Now here, as I told you, I've created a folder, okay, which has all my 5 posts. Okay. So first post is which I'm going to post on 2nd. So I'm selecting that. And then the caption for the first post, I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. Okay. So I've selected both. I've selected Facebook as the page. You can select Instagram as well. I've added a post. Okay. And then I've also copied the caption here. I'm just going to get this hashtag line down. Okay. So this is my caption and then my 3 hashtags. Okay. Now, once I scroll down, it will ask publish, schedule, or save as draft. So we have already selected the time. So that's why it's showing as schedule. And you just have to simply click on schedule. Okay. That's it. The post is scheduled. Now I'll show you how the post is scheduled. Now when it will take you back to the scheduler. And when you click on the month Okay. You will see that on 2nd October, 9 a.m., the first post is scheduled. Okay. Let me show you. Let me schedule one more post. Okay. So let me see where the second post is on 5th of October. Okay. So let me just copy this caption and I'm going to go back to the scheduler. Okay. Now on 5th, I am just clicking on this plus sign. So it is asking me to schedule a post. So I'm going to click on schedule post. Okay. Select the timing. Again, it's going to be 9 a.m. And the date is already selected because we have directly clicked on the date to schedule. Okay. Now I'm going to click on save. And again, Facebook page is what I've selected. You can also select Instagram. Upload from desktop. Okay. And I'm going to click on the second post. Okay. The caption, I've already copied this. Okay. So I'm going to just paste this caption here. Take the hashtag down. Leave one line here. And that's it. I'm going to schedule my second post. It's that easy. Okay. Now, why this is given is so that you can plan all your posts for the upcoming month in advance. And then you actually start, you are actually able to give time for other things and not, you don't have to remember the date and every day go and post or publish the post. Okay. So this way, all those, now if you guys have already designed the posts, from the templates that I've, yeah. So bye everyone.
Thank you.
I'll see you next Friday. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.